Hi, it's Kevin Shutter with Trophy Nissan Service. We're here for all your service needs. But today we're going to show you how to change the battery yourself. Come on. First, we're going to make sure the vehicle is turned off. We have the hood open. We're going to locate the battery. What we're going to do first is we're going to start by removing the cables. We always start with the negative cable first. We're going to safely tuck it out of the way. Then we'll remove the positive cable. The positive cable has a plus sign on the lid. If you open the lid, you can get access to the cable. Then we have this battery tie-down bracket. This holds the battery, keeps it from moving. We're going to remove the tie-down bracket now so we can gain access to the battery. At this point, we can literally lift the battery right out of its tray. Now that we have the battery out, make sure our tray is clear, we're ready to install the new battery in reverse order. And once the battery hold down back in place, we want to move it a little bit. Pretty secure. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and install the positive battery cable, and then finally we'll install the negative battery cable. Now that our cables are reinstalled, we're going to start the vehicle up. We're going to make sure this vehicle starts. Now that our battery's been installed, our vehicle is running, time to close our hood and get on with our day. Let the experts at Trophy Nissan Service Department help you today. We are
Trophy Nissan.